flip up the push bar, push down the seat, and flip down the footrest. And it's ready to be used. Armrest lift up functions, just press the lever over here at the side, press it inwards and lift up. Leg rest detachable, press the lever over here, and you can flip the footrest to the side and can detach the footrest as well. Easy, just lock in the footrest. Within seconds, you can attach the footrest back onto the wheelchair. Within seconds, you can push back the armrest as well. Attendant brakes. Okay, how do we keep this wheelchair? Flip up the footrest, lift up the seat, push out the seat, cushions, close the wheelchair, make sure it's closed tight. There's a lever over here, press the lever and flip down the push bar. Okay, and it will be compact. Okay, this wheelchair is lightweight. Okay, for its functions, it's weight only 12.9 kg. Okay, it's full aluminium, anti-rusty. Okay, Singapore is a humid country, so it's better to have the wheelchair made of aluminium unless it is stainless steel but is powder coated. Yeah, then it's acceptable as well. Okay, this is not a dropshipping wheelchair from low quality factory. Okay, we customize this wheelchair, and this is a very high quality wheelchair. Okay, I will touch on more on the specifications. Okay, first, this wheelchair can hold up to 100 kg. Okay, it's made of 4 mm thick aluminium. Okay, it's thick and robust, 4 mm thick, and I can claim that this is one of the best wheelchair in the world at this price point. Okay, we did a lot of modification to this wheelchair. Okay, first of all, okay, I will touch on from the front to the back. Okay, our footrest can lower down all the way close to the floor level. This is suitable for user that is very tall or have longer legs. Okay, because the seat of the wheelchair is always quite standard height. It's around 45 cm. Okay, so since it cannot be raised higher, okay, those users with longer legs will have to have a lower footrest in order not to have their legs being lifted up too high, which cause a lot of discomfort. For example, if my height is so tall that I always feel comfortable with my leg lifted up too high when sitting on the wheelchair, especially for ladies with skirt, okay, wearing skirts, or it will be quite uncomfortable for them when the legs being lifted up. Okay, like this. Okay, our wheelchair, our footrest can go down all the way to the close to the floor level, which means the leg will be going down and there's no gap over here. Okay, that is very important for a user that is taller, and even for a user that is shorter, it's totally fine because the footrest can lift up all the way to much higher level and their comfort. Okay, why do we need a armrest lift up and leg rest detachable wheelchair? Okay, this is often the question asked when you see the wheelchair with all these functions. The benefit of it is, see, whenever you need to transfer yourself from the wheelchair to the bed, there is always a armrest over here obstructing the user from transferring. Okay, and also the footrest obstructing. Okay, the armrest can be lifted up. Okay, apply the attendant brake, and footrest can be detached or removed. It will make the life of the user and the assistant much easier because it can just slide out from the side to the vehicle, to any sitting area, or even to the bed or to the toilet bowls, or okay, whichever they need to transfer themselves. And in any event, if they go to see a doctor, okay, imagine the footrest is unable to detach or flip to the side. What will happen if there is a table right in front? Okay, the table right in front, the footrest will be blocking, and the user will not be able to get closer to the doctor to have their injection or any kind of a medical help from the doctor. Even taking the measurement from the high blood pressure machine, okay, you need to get closer to the doctor. Okay, so this one will not cause obstruction. Armrest lift up also when you bring your loved one to a meal. Okay, when you go out for a meal, the armrest lift up functions allows the user to be pushed all the way under the tabletop. So the armrest will not be blocked by the tabletop. Imagine you have to go for in one day you have to go for a meal 3 times. You have to transfer the user 3 times. Yeah, but now you do not need to. Just simply lift up the armrest and can push all the user to the tabletop, and they can have their meal. And this is the leg support. Okay, this leg support can be detached easily because it's made of very high quality heavy duty Velcro. Okay, it prevents the leg from going backwards. Okay, it's good to have. Next, I will touch on the cushions that we specially customized. This is a very silky, smooth, high quality fabric. Why I said so? Because as you can see from here, the usual kind of standard material, okay, is made of mesh. Okay, one of the mid-range quality type of fabric. But it's not suitable for wheelchair that has a Velcro on it. The reason is if the Velcro touch on it, it will stuck on the Velcro, and when you pull it out, okay, all the fabric will be damaged. But for here, see, we have customized it to be so silky smooth that even Velcro will not be, the cloth will not, the fabric will not be attached onto the Velcro. Same goes to our removable seat cushions, okay, as well as our removable back cushions. Washable, okay, you see the Velcro will not be stuck. Okay, the traditional type of removable cushions wheelchair, at the bottom here is only one thin piece of net, which I feel that is not a very good material used for wheelchair. Okay, because it's a very thin piece of net, they always have to have a tendency of tear, and when the user sit on it, they don't feel safe. As you can see from our fabric, okay, even if there is already a very thick cushions that we specially customized, we also put on a 1.5 cm thick cushion as well. So which means while you're washing the cushions, waiting for it to dry, you still can use the wheelchair. Okay, and also the traditional type of footrest detachable. If you notice, the level to remove the footrest is usually inside. Okay, which is also not a very good place to put this level. Okay, the reason is the assistant have to stretch their hand all the way in between the footrest in order to press the lever to detach the footrest. But for us, the lever is outside. So even if the user, if their hand is still strong, they can just remove the footrest on their own. Okay, or swing the footrest to the side. Okay. Wheelchair, the most challenging part is also the braking system, because wheelchair has a lot of moving parts. Okay, so every now and then there is a lot of tuning and servicing required. As long as there's a moving parts, there is this ongoing challenges that the user or the helper is facing. That's the reason why we put 2 bolt-through fixing screw, okay, which means it's free of maintenance. Okay, even for years, okay, you can just apply the attendant brake whenever you like, and the braking system will not lose its tension. See, every time when brake is being applied, correct? Okay, what happened? If there is only 1 screw or 1 bolt-through fixing, okay, slowly this piece of braking system will slowly start to shift its position. It will move further and further away from the tire because of the force that is applying onto each other. Okay, but for now it will not happen. Why? Because we have put 2 bolt-through fixing, bolt and nut. We have put in 2 bolt and nut, so that's the reason why it's very robust and secure. Right? Sideboard is important in a way that, okay, the clothing of the user will not be dangling out, and also causing the wheels to stuck with the clothing and causing hygiene problem. Okay, you can see that there is a design of a lift. This is a lift design. Okay, not only the seat rest as seat cushion as well as the back cushion. Okay, why this design? Okay, the reason is very simple, because when you have a thick cushion, okay, you always face challenges in folding the wheelchair and keeping it compact when it's being folding position. That's why you see when we fold, right? Okay, the folding will follow the contour of the line, okay, that we have stitched. So it can still maintain its compact. Over here like this, you see, always fold the seat first, okay, and press it in, okay, press it in and press the lever behind, press inwards and flip it down like this. See, it's very compact. It's very slim and it's very compact, so you do not have any problem, you will not face any problem in putting in any vehicle. Our safety belt is specially customized to be silky smooth. Okay, the reason is it will not, so that it will not cause abrasion on the user wearing this safety belt for a long period of time. Okay, it needs to be silky smooth. It's unlike those material that, you know, the school bag at the bottom there's two belt coming out, which is very rough. Yeah, so this is a special customized safety belt, robust and super strong. Comes with a deep back pocket. Okay, and it comes with a tools behind to do any adjustment along the ears. Okay, okay, every screw around the braking systems and even behind, we have put a protection cap. Okay, over here and even the brake here, we put protection cap. This is important because some of the patients, they cannot get cut on the body. Okay, it's life-threatening. Okay, for example, user with diabetes, okay, or even cancer patients, if they get any cuts, their condition will worsen. Okay, so it's always advisable, okay, to have those wheelchair to have all those protection caps. Okay, to prevent not only the user but the assistant from being getting injured. Anti-tipper. Anti-tipper is add-on features to prevent the wheelchair from tipping and fall backwards, causing injury when the assistant is careless, or when they're going very steep slope, or even when there's a bumpy ground which causes the wheelchair to flip backwards. Our anti-tipper is adjustable. Just pull up the red color level here, and is adjustable to different height. Okay, and this anti-tipper is a premium anti-tipper because as you can see from here and here, okay, the user can use their legs to step on this anti-tipper and jerk up the wheelchair, allow the wheelchair to be jerked up to go up any curbs. When we customize this wheelchair, we look at every aspect of this wheelchair to make it one of the best wheelchair. And even the braking systems at over here, you see at the bottom here, right? There is a spring at the bottom. Okay, this spring is the spring return. Okay, this spring returns is to allow the tension of the brakes. Okay, it's to allow the tension of the brakes. So it always keeps tension for a very long period of time. Okay, when you press the brake, okay, the spring is always helping you to bring back the brake lever back to its original position. So PU tire, yes, not sure the tire. PU tire is one of the best quality. Okay, which projection can last you at least 4 to 5 years. There's no need to pump air. After many years, when the tires need to be replaced, okay, you can always come back to us because our product is always backward compatible. There will always be parts available. This is the most important because some of the challenges the user find when they purchase a wheelchair, their biggest concern is some of the question being highlighted is, oh, after 1 or 2 years, do you still have the parts? My answer is yes. Okay, I still have the parts. Definitely will have the parts. Okay, because my wheelchair, even if I do any modification, the critical parts like the braking systems and the tires and the cushions, everything, right, we will make sure it is backward compatible. We do not want customer after they purchase and use our wheelchair for 1 or 2 years, suddenly we tell them, oh, there's no more parts. Okay, it's very frustrating. Myself as a buyer of other products, I do not want that to happen to me also. So when we design and customize this wheelchair, we want to ensure all our buyers also do not face this problem. Okay, my weight is around 85 kg, my height is 175. This is how it looks like when I'm sitting on the wheelchair, right? Okay. Yeah. This is a push chair. Push chair. I need people to push you. Okay. Okay. So there are a bigger wheels version for this model. The model is a lot self-propelled. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.